I had the opportunity to work on a film straight out of college, and the film is called Free Solo, which, if you don't know it, won an Academy Award for the documentary category. On Free Solo, I was Jimmy Chin's photo assistant. I was a DIT, a production assistant whenever there needed to be random tasks fulfilled, and then I was also a cinematographer on the wall and on the ground. I thought Alex was one of the most interesting people in the world, and I got to know him really well over the past 5 years before signing on to Free Solo. And so Free Solo was a film that was trying to document his character because he's such an interesting person. He free soloed because he didn't want to ask someone to climb with him. He found it easier to free solo something than to confront socializing. So Alex had this incredible vision to free solo El Cap. And El Cap, back in the day, when it was first climbed, took over a year to climb from beginning to end, and they were relying on gear to do it. And then, in the early 90s, Lynn Hill free climbed it, which meant she wasn't relying on any gear to go up, but that gear was still with her in case she fell. Alex had the idea to just eliminate gear and free solo it, which means he climbed with his hands and his feet without any gear. So if he fell, he would die. So being able to work on a film that truly tried its best to document Alex's feats and his life, that was really interesting and fun for me to work on.